My name is Florina Stanescu, and I'm a researcher in the field of biology at Ovidius University of Constanta. I've been asked about how I share the results of my research with colleagues and with the general public. As a researcher, effective communication within the scientific community is crucial for advancing scientific knowledge. How do I do this? Well, first of all, I publish my research findings in scientific journals. I share the published articles on academic social media or other similar platforms, like ResearchGate or ORCID, which stands for Open Researcher and Contributor ID. I promote my research at scientific events like workshops, conferences, symposia, where I can also engage with my peers, exchange ideas, and receive valuable feedback. When my work is linked to a specific project, I make sure that the project web pages are up to date and include links to the latest papers, conference presentations, and other relevant materials like maps, figures, or videos. I'm currently working on my personal webpage, which will showcase my research interests, publications, and ongoing projects. This is also a great way to connect with colleagues and potential collaborators. Finally, I also use social media platforms like Facebook or X, former Twitter, to share snippets of my research together with an attractive photo or video. It is also important to share my findings with the general public. Most of my work is related to animals or entire ecosystems which are suffering as a consequence of human activities. This is why, besides filling knowledge gaps, I'm looking to bring people closer to nature and hopefully help them to find ways to conserve it for the next generations. I do this with the help of social media by posting images, sounds, videos, together with a short text that can be easily understood by non-specialists. For example, I use a SoundCloud account to promote the conservation of natural soundscapes. I raise awareness regarding the alien species in our country with the help of a Facebook page. The posts addressed to the general public are shorter, with simpler explanation like text, and are more visual, with more images or videos. Another strategy is to involve people in my research, either as volunteers or through interviews and questionnaires. Which languages do I use and for what purposes? In my field of research, English is the common language of scientific communication. I publish all of my scientific articles in English. However, I adapt what I have to say to the general public, and depending on the target audience, I may use the local language. In summary, I am aware of the importance of sharing my work with both peers and the wider public. By bridging the gap between research and the public, I hope to contribute to informed decision-making and, of course, a deeper appreciation for our natural world. Thank you for listening.